Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna walk around the 63 Ragtop. I'm gonna show you what we've done to it, what we've got left, and you'll see. So, let's look. So, we're moving right along on the 63 Ragtop. Got a lot of work going on. You saw I replaced this panel already, the rear bumper bracket on this side. I've also now replaced this side. Both rear body mounts have been cut out, left, right. This one here is screwed in place. I'm gonna have to modify the position of that, I believe. Here's the other side. Now on these, we modified this shape some so that it looks more proper, looks like the real deal. I think you'll see the process of that sometime. I think I have video footage of it, and of course there will be footage of me installing it. This piece is just here for now. I trimmed the lip off of it. Now under here, well, we've made this patch on the inside. You can see we've installed this heater channel end cap. I think these are made in England. I got mine from Bug City. Measured where, well, I scribed where the old one was, put it in the same general area, and measured to make sure that it was where it needed to be. And it was a minor adjustment, so it's not exactly where the old one is, but this is where it needs to be. Under here, we stripped the rust, cleaned it, acid, and this is Master Series paint. There is footage of that, so I'm not going to divulge too much information here, but that rust is never coming back. We've put a patch here that you can't really see. There's going to be some filler, some glaze under here, high build primer and block, because this is going to be a really nice car. Now, the next stuff we're doing, both of these mounts here, they are here. These are made in Germany. They go right there. We'll weld those on, probably from the inside through the package tray, because you never see that. It's covered in carpet. So I think that's the smarter choice. And then the apron, which is right there. We'll clean that up and put it on, and that'll be pretty golden. We're gonna order heater channels. We'll be using classic fab channels on this, which means we'll have to do some shimming and adjusting. One, to show you how bad this can get. So this door closes fine. Original heater channels. If you come over here, to show you how much this body's move. This door closed like that door before. This is a pain to close now. It pops, it gets stuck. That's because I have a block of wood under the heater channel. These bodies move so much. Minor adjustments. And especially so when the heater channels start rotting, like these ones are. So we'll get classic fab channels. There's really not much going on up here. The heater channel is the majority of the body. Both pillars, we'll patch the firewall. And then the nose is going to be another problem. We're going to have to pull the nose, possibly replace sections of it, but I'm not sure yet what my plan is exactly, but that's how we're moving with that. Then we'll move on to the chassis. I'm going to be using Wolfsburg West floor pans, full chassis restoration, full paint, no undercoating, no bed liner, all stock. Rerun the fuel line through the tunnel. We'll be doing the brakes and such. Painting everything with a 2-component paint so that it lasts forever. The goal basically is to make this car as perfect as possible, make it what I wanted the 67 to be, which the 67 is really nice, great driver, you know, it wins, it's a winner, but it's not perfect. This car I want to be perfect. So guys, hopefully this short little update just to see where I was with the 63 was enjoyable. I know some people have been asking, you know, can you show us what you're doing on the 63? How's the Sportsbook? How's the bus? How's the 914? Well, this is what I've been working on. The bus is in the backyard. I would like to work on that. We're going to register the 914 soon, the Sportsbook soon. There's a Sportsbook video coming, don't worry. But this is what we're working on, so this is what I wanted to show you. So guys, until next time, take care, and I'll see you later. Bye guys.